So welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create Advantage Plus shopping campaign in a Meta Ads Manager.
So first, just click on create and choose the objective as a sales. Click on continue. Here select Advantage Plus shopping campaign and just hit the continue button. Once you are here, this is how the interface of Advantage Plus shopping campaign look like. So here under conversion, we have to select the conversion location. So we have selected the conversion location as a website. Under performance goal, I have selected maximize number of conversions. A pixel is already selected. Here I will be selecting the conversion event as a purchase, as I want people to come to my website and transact. So under audience location, you can select the particular location that you want to target. So you can see here, we have selected here India. So you can either target by specific country or a state. Previously only country level targeting was available under Advantage Plus shopping, but recently we can see here state level targeting is also available. So let's say we want to target India, but we want to exclude a low GDP per capita states. Let's say like a Bihar or a Rajasthan or Uttar Pradesh. So what I will do is I will just click on audience control. Here under audience control, we can basically include or exclude specific locations. So let's say I want to exclude a specific states. So what I will do is just click on audience control. Enable this, my business can only advertise in specific location. So here I will exclude people in the following locations. So I will be excluding states with a low GDP per capita. So for example, Bihar, India. So I have excluded this particular state, and now review changes and click on apply. So this particular audience control, that is exclusion of the Bihar state, has been applied at account level. Let's say in Advantage Plus shopping campaign, if you want to exclude specific placements, that is you don't want to show ad in a particular placement, let's say in an audience network, because you don't know on which app your ad will be visible. So what you will do is you just click on placement control. My business can only advertise on specific placements, just enable it, and here you can basically just exclude the apps and sites option, that is audience network options. I will just review these changes. So you can see here your ads should not appear on apps and sites, that is, so our ads will be visible only on Meta platforms. So just click on confirm. Under excluded location, here we have a Bihar. So now our audience location is selected. So now let's go to the reporting. So another important aspect that you need to know about Advantage Plus shopping is that you can split the budget between a new customer acquisition and existing customers. That is, same campaign can be used for customer acquisition as well as remarketing. So here I want to implement existing customer cap. So in order to do the same, what we have to do is first add the custom audiences. So we have to add existing audience as well as existing customers. So what I will do is just click on advertising settings here. So once you click on advertising settings, here we have to select the engage audience and existing customers. So in existing customers, we will be selecting the people who have purchased with us in last 180 days. So I will be selecting the custom audience. So our purchase 180-day audience is already created. So I will be selecting that. If you don't have a custom audiences, you can create a custom audiences by using this create a custom audience option. So I will just click on confirm here. So under engage audiences, you can select the people who have engaged with your website, Instagram page or a Facebook page, but they haven't made a purchase. So for now, I will select all website visitors here. So once our engage audience and existing customer audience is added, what you can do is you can apply existing customer budget cap. So I will just enable this customer budget cap and give the specific percentage of the budget that you want to spend on acquiring existing customers. That is for a remarketing. So I will give the specific percent budget as a 30%. So once campaign level settings are done, you just go to the ad level. Here, just select the Facebook and Instagram account. Choose the creative source as a catalog. So Advantage Plus shopping campaign works best with DPA ads or called catalog ads. So here we have to choose a catalog. So in a format, I will be selecting a carousel. Under add creative, we have a catalog. So we have selected the Shopify product catalog, and in a product sets, we have selected all product in stock. So under carousel card, you can select the creative options. If you have a multiple images in a product feed, you can go with a slideshow. If you have only one image, you can just select single image. So I will be selecting it as a slideshow. In a headline, we have selected the headline as a product name. In a primary text, add the primary text, that is ad copy that you want to add. So I will be adding this particular ad copy for now, and choose the call to action as a shop now. In a website URL, just add the website URL. In a display link, you can just add the display link that you want to show in ad. So here in a deep link to the website, here just click on add a catalog field and choose the option as a URL. And in a product URL, just click on this particular option AA and just click on URL encoding. So this particular error will get verified. So under tracking, we can see our pixel is already selected. Now only one thing that is left, that is building a URL parameters. Just click on a build a URL parameter. Choose the campaign source as a Facebook, CPC as a medium, campaign name as a campaign name, campaign content as an ad name, and just hit on apply. So this URL parameters will help us to track our campaign on Google Analytics. So we are all good to go. Just publish the campaign. Our Advantage Plus shopping campaign is now published. So this is how we build Advantage Plus shopping campaign and use existing budget cap to split the budget between a new customer acquisition and a remarketing audiences. And if you find this video useful, do like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, do comment below.